In this video, I'm going to show you how to post 60-second stories on Instagram. So the first thing that you have to do is to check if the Instagram app is up to date. You can go to the App Store and search for Instagram and press update when available. If there's no update button, it means your Instagram app is up to date. Click open. It will open up your Instagram. So the next thing we're going to do is to swipe to the right. It will open up the story menu. Over here you click on the album icon in the top left bottom of your screen. Select your video which is over 60 seconds. So the first time if you open up a video which is longer than 60 seconds, it will give a pop-up message. The message will tell you that you are able to upload videos over 60 seconds on your story. Now the next thing you're going to do is click on Done. Over here you click on the arrow in the top right bottom of your screen. Click Share and click Done. If you click on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, you can see that the video is uploaded on your Instagram story. Congratulations! You've just learned how to post 60-second stories on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.